Tesla solar inverter is a device that is installed along with solar panels or solar roof, converting DC power from a solar array to AC power for home consumption. Tesla solar inverter is made by installers for installers to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The solar inverter can output up to 7.6 kilowatts and is interconnected to a home's electrical system with the backfeed breaker or disconnect switch. Note that there are no switches nor user interface points on the enclosure. When required by local code, a low-voltage system shutdown switch can be installed to remotely shut down solar. In addition to solar modules, the inverter is installed with mid-circuit interrupters, or MCIs, for rapid shutdown of the PV system. Beyond the standard electrician's tools, installing Tesla solar inverter requires a few specific tools. A T30 Torx driver, a small cabinet-tip slotted screwdriver, and an 8mm socket. Tesla solar inverter is shipped in this packaging. Within the box are the inverter, a mounting bracket, a box containing the glass front cover, and an accessory bag. The accessory bag includes one T30 fastener, one nut, two jumper wires, and the owner's guide. These are the dimensions of the solar inverter. The enclosure is rated to be installed indoors or outdoors. The enclosure must be mounted in this orientation, never horizontally nor upside down. Conduit entry knockouts are located on the bottom and right sides of the enclosure. On the back of the enclosure, these mounting cleats engage with the flanges on the mounting bracket. When mounted, the enclosure sits slightly off the wall, allowing for the thermal management system to exhaust air through this duct. The captive screw secures the front cover in the closed position. Loosen the screw and press in on this latch to open the front cover. This jumper wire bonds the front door to the enclosure with one of the nuts included in the accessory bag. With the front cover open 90 degrees, lift up on the cover to remove these two hinge pins. Behind the front cover are all of the field-accessible internal components. This terminal block is used for the direct current conductors coming from the solar array. This terminal block is used to connect the alternating current output to the interconnecting breaker or disconnect. Equipment grounding conductors are terminated here. When a system shutdown switch is installed, it is connected to these terminals. At the top right corner of the enclosure is the thermal management system. At the top left of the enclosure is a site controller and factory-installed energy meter. One current transformer is pre-installed to monitor solar production with revenue-grade metering. 3 additional current transformer ports are available for monitoring site import and export. For more information about metering, watch the video titled Tesla Solar Inverter Metering. The installation of Tesla Solar Inverter consists of 3 core tasks. It starts with mounting the unit, followed by making wiring connections to the home's electrical system and solar array, and finally, commissioning the system with the Tesla One app. Each of these topics is covered in the installation manual as well as subsequent videos.